gosh, Jose, that's not how you open it.
Oh,
Why? Why did you rip yours too? Now you rip it. Now you could put tape back to hold it in. Dog washable 10 stamp markers. Fun designs. Just press to stamp. Has some vibrant colors. And there's some shapes and design on it. Before we ripped it open, this is how it looks like. There it is. And you can see the stamps on the bottom. Stars, peace sign, lips, cupcake, hearts, crown, happy face, and thumbs up, flower, silly eye. It's for ages 4 and up. By Melissa and Doug. Yep. Let's look at the markers. We have one that has eyes on it. One that thumbs. What's that? Flowers. What's that one? That's
happy face.
Oh, it's a happy face. You gotta look closely. Then we have a crown, cupcakes, lipsticks, peace sign, stars, and what's the one you have in your hand?
Hearts.
Hearts. Jose, let's see which one is this one.
Eyeballs.
That's the eyeball. Oh, very nice. It looks like a minion.
Yeah.
There you go.
But we need yellow for a happy.
Let's see yours, Johnny. Good try, but you gotta. Let's see. Oh, very good. There's the flower face here.
Oh, happy face.
Oh, there it is. There's the happy face.
You have to zoom in.
I have to zoom in.
Oh,
I don't have to zoom in.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's a crown.
Now I'm trying to do 3 at a time. I can do 3 at a time.
How about you
Just
do one?
watch.
3 at a time. Okay, this is what? That's a happy face.
Wow.
Okay, I still see the cupcake.
Yeah.
Okay. How about I try?
It looks like somebody bit it.
It looks like someone bit the cupcake. It does look like someone bit that cupcake. Lips. Yes, lips. And Jose's doing lips right now. Let me see those. You did one? Right there. Please do me coloring book and give them some stamps instead of colors. Bring it over here.
What?
Very nice. Happy face. Okay, let's check out that Umi Zoomy coloring book. Let me see the front. Umi Zoomy. Alright, giant coloring book. It takes up the whole table. Coloring book. A giant coloring book.
What about this?
The Paw Patrol. Stomp it. There's lots of stamps. You're going to put eyeballs on them?
I got this one.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
Oh, this one's a Y, I think.
A Y? Oh, you see a Y?
Y
or a peace sign.
I see a happy face.
You see a happy face? Wow, and let's see. Here's a baby wipe. Can you wipe it off? Let's see.
Just wipe one?
No, wipe them all off. See if it's really washable. Wipe it off. Gotta put some pressure on it. After a bath, maybe it's all gonna go away.
How about I wash it with the bath?
After a bath, it's gonna go away?
I think it's stuck.
You think it's
The
stuck?
pink one.
The pink one? Oh. Rub a little bit more.
Oh, the green's already
The
gone.
green's already gone.
I can still see it.
Try the pink one.
These are never working.
I think it's gonna go away when you take a bath.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Is your arm with the color? Is that it? No, that's not it. Here we go. Did it come off completely?
I think I did.
Do you see any of them?
Scanning.
That's your boo-boo.
Scanning.
Nope.
Scanning.
Nothing. There's nothing there after.
Nothing.